had like the one scene where he's just like lying here, and then it just cuts to a second clip where hello everyone, welcome to the food review. Today we have Hungry Man Beer Battered Chicken. It is 770 calories, total fats 38 grams, 85 milligrams of cholesterol, and 1,480 milligrams of sodium. And there is 73 total carbohydrates. And in this meal there is a rich chocolate brownie. And then there's the golden beer battered chicken with some savory mashed potatoes and some crisp vegetables. But if we don't like that, we have a replacement. A 6-pack of Salisbury steak. I know that this will be good, only because it is 170 calories per patty.
Alright, so what are your reactions right now while cooking this?
Remove brownie carefully with fork.
How do you feel that you're going to be eating this?
I don't want to.
I don't know, it looks tasty. Are you sure you removed the brownie with fork? Did you read the instructions right?
You doubting my instruction reading ability?
Bro, that brownie looks pretty good.
Remove brownie with fork.
Bro, how's it taste?
There isn't much of a taste.
Well, that's better than it tasting bad. She threw away the box. What's next on the list, boss?
They're still partially frozen.
I think that's why you stir it.
And then start cooking for another 3.5 minutes.
Oh, it's the crisp vegetables.
You gotta flip these so they don't get soggy on one side, obviously.
Oh, yeah. They kind of look like fish.
Oh, but they are soggy on one side. There was 2.
Well, next time you guys see this food, he's gonna be eating it.
So it sounds like the food is done, so let's get going.
it hot?
No.
Why don't you just keep the container?
It is time to begin. Four point two. It's a lot better than I expected. 7.2. Pretty bland. Maybe we need to get another taste. Six point two. Overall, I'd rate the Hungry Man beer battered chicken 5.2.
Now, do you think you're going to be able to finish this meal?
Everything but the green beans probably, and the carrots, any of the vegetables. This surprisingly was actually good with the, especially with some brownie on it too. Like, tastes like microwave Chinese chicken.
Would you recommend this to anybody?
No. Not if you like your liver.
Alright, so Mr. McCaffrey's going to finish his meal here, and then we'll get on to the next dish.
Alrighty then. I got lazy. Didn't want to film anything. So let's get to the good part, you know. Part where I stuff my face with weird foods.